This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Francis Blanco. Welcome to this charming home featuring an open floor plan with a fireplace perfect for modern living. Enjoy the spaciousness and natural light that fills every room. The kitchen is spacious and boasts elegant Corian countertops. Step outside to the large backyard, complete with a beautiful garden that offers a peaceful retreat. Recent updates include roof replacement in 2022 and hurricane-proof windows, ensuring peace of mind during storm season. This property is not located in a flood zone. Located just 15 minutes from the Florida Fairgrounds and nearby shopping centers, this home offers convenience and accessibility. There are a variety of schools in the area, making it ideal for families. The brand new fencing provides added privacy and security. Don't miss the chance to make this house your home. Schedule your private showing today. For more information,